I find it very weird that nobody is talking about the severity of Hurricane Beryl and how it will touch down in the U.S. I told you guys days ago that Hurricane Beryl will touch the U.S. and that just because a news station says it won't doesn't mean it's already true. And now here we are days later, and they're telling people in Houston, Texas to prepare. See, if you know anything about hurricanes, you know that they are supposed to drop in categories the longer that they are. But if you know anything about a weather system, you know that's not always the case, and it just may not happen. And before Hurricane Beryl even started, I told you guys and tried to show you how weather systems work and that we should in fact believe that it may touch down in the U.S. Because contrary to belief, 130-mile-per-hour winds that are in water and create hurricanes might just hit the states around them. But of course, you know how our news station works. It's to make money. It's not to inform you. So I'm going to show you again now that they are agreeing with what I said originally, and that is that there will be states affected in the U.S. by Hurricane Beryl. I mean, this hurricane is just a 10-mile-per-hour wind difference and one category under Hurricane Katrina. So they were expecting the hurricane to drop down categories before it made it to the U.S. This is why they didn't tell anyone, because they didn't want anyone to panic. But now here we are, and you can see that in fact that did not happen, and it's actually getting stronger. It's similar to what happened with Katrina. Everybody thought it would dissipate before it hit Mississippi, but it didn't. So now they're saying Beryl is expected to reach southern Texas by Sunday night or Monday morning, regaining hurricane status as it crosses over the toasty Gulf of Mexico. Beryl is most likely to make landfall somewhere between Brownsville and a bit north of Corpus Christi Monday. They are forecasting it as a strong Category 1 storm, but they also are saying this could be conservative if Beryl stays over the water longer. So the news is very good at hiding stuff. Two things can be true at once, but you saw the last excerpt was that if that hurricane stays over the water a little while longer, it could raise in category and essentially screw everyone in Houston and Christi Corpus. Look at history. It always repeats itself. So please spread this with anyone in Texas, Houston area so they can be alert, and they have time now. So why not tell people now? It's always better to inform and have people more ready than under ready.